Okay, bias for today is neutral because daily time frame the NQ is respected and coming off this daily fair value gap, which is bullish. Price obviously took the sell side liquidity, that being right here, and we have low resisted liquidity run, bigger time frame, right? So that's that. Part of me that wants to be bearish is prices coming off this 4-hour fair value gap and respecting it, right? And so, in order for me to be truly bullish, I want to see this 1 hour get disrespected to see this internal buy side liquidity get taken. If that market opens, we inverse this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, I will be pretty bearish up until this low at the bare minimum. So just be patient. I want to see at 10 o'clock if we inverse this 4 hour. If we do, very bullish. But like I said before then, if we inverse this 15-minute, I'll be internally bearish until maybe this 15-minute fair value gap where we could expect a potential rebalance. So we'll see. Overall, just gonna be patient though because I can see both moves happening. So yeah. Okay. So this took this long, as you see, stopped to break even, which was fine. Um, Reason why I took this trade, price came down, market open, started this liquidity, enter this 15-minute fair value gap, respected. We have fat SMT, good reaction off this SMT. 3-minute inverse fair value gap, change of state. So it looks really good. Something I didn't like about the trade is the SMTs that was already made, right? So ES is clearly more bullish than the NQ. But it was kind of just like a jab. I wanted to see if it would hit or not. So that's all that was. I don't know if there's a model coming out here actually. It's not. Um, so yeah, I mean, great trade. It's just unfortunately break even. Um, if I was on the account, on my TradeFi account, would take profits, 20 points. What is what it is. Not a big deal. I'm expected to see the ES take this and give us a fat SMT, and from there, we might see price want to go lower to these London lows at 15-minute fair value gap. So we'll have to see. Another reason why I think that is because the London lows on ES is equal lows. So there's reason for price to go low, but I want to see the ES make SMT first. So we'll see. Do I think this Nasdaq play could still play out decently? Yeah, I do. And I mean, we had this 30-second. Oh wait, no, we had a 15-second model. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we did. Um, but obviously, would I be taking that? So this is unfortunate break even. Um, Part of the game is what it is. Lose the trade. Um, wasn't my favorite setup, but I still wanted to take it. So let's run this trade down. Okay. Well, the 15-minute fair value I was talking about on NQ, not MQ, did get inverse, so I was leaning bearish. Um, as we know, we had SMT, so another bearish confluence. We then had internal manipulation, the stop rate, followed by a strong swing to the downside. So yeah, I want to see the move happen. The only thing bad I would say about this play is the fact that I probably should have waited for Price to retrace back into this 5x5 area gap. Uh, but I mean, not much you can do about that. Um, but I mean, I didn't mind this trade. Like I said, it wasn't my favorite. Um, just due to really walking open though, right? This strong bullish move up, but there's plenty of confluences for the trade to go lower. And as we see right now, after this manipulation move, price does look like it wants to go low still. Um, it's hard to say. Definitely not efficient price action. So overall, not a terrible trade. Could be more patient on it, but like I said, this is just my top step account, so I'm not really too worried about all that. If this throws second erosion, I might even take that. I would like how close break even is to it, but we have more internal manipulation. Right, so we have more internal manipulation here. So that would be break even hit, but we're gonna hold it this time. So we're probably gonna hold, make our break even constant encroachment of this. I want to see this 2 minute get inverse. Prices the inverse is 2 minute. I move stop to break even. Stop break even. I get probably stopped right here if I had to imagine. Yep. Wow, this price action is fucking outrageous. And then let's see this play out. Yeah, I'm really not a big fan of what I'm seeing price do right here. I mean, what every confluence is just getting disrespected completely. Um, we came back up for more internal manipulation, had a dump, failed to inverse this 2 minute, which is why we stopped loss to break even. Then we got this 30 second. See, and then right here, now it looks good for longs, right? We have internal manipulation, side fair value gap, um, inversion. Really just a mess of a day. Um, and I'm not too sure, honestly, what to do. Um, could I give jabs at longs here? I mean, I could. Is it slightly revenge trading? Absolutely. Absolutely. So definitely that quality. Don't. The ES is really steaming up higher. Yeah, it looks like the ES wants his buy side liquidity. Did the ES inverse? No, it did not. Okay. So another unfortunate break-even trade, and on that I'm done for the day. This is why you see me take only 20 points usually and not go for big plays. If I went for 20 points only, 2 out of the 3 trades I've taken would have been winners. It's rather unfortunate. Now, the reason why I took this play, despite taking a short previously, right, was because we had internal manipulation right here. inside of 2 minute fair value gap, and then we had 1 minute inverse fair value gap. We also had this high right above, oh, right below this 5 minutes unmitigated fair value gap. So that's an easy draw. I knew for a fact I was gonna get hit. Um, and also I moved to break even there because it's a place where we can expect the price to eject from, right? But once again, if I was following my risk management plans, I would have taken profit there. So rather unfortunate, but is what it is. So let's go over all the trades I took real quick. Okay. I don't fucking remember what I've taken. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah. So okay. So I also took in the morning this long, this 3 minute long, which was a good long. Um, entry was right here. Stop loss was about right here, and this was my break even, right? And so once again, if I follow my plan, I mean, 17 points. So I mean, probably would have taken profit there. By the time there was a SMT, so maybe it would have. Who knows? Um, and then let's see. Oh yeah, I then took this 3 minute short for obvious reasons, which I think was probably the best trade taken all day, despite it being a losing trade. It just had the most confidence, made the most sense. Um, so this trade was a losing trade, right? Obviously. Um, but nonetheless, this 3 minute short was still good. And then of course I took the 30 second. Where did I take it? Oh yes. I then took this 30 second short right here. Entry was like somewhere around here. And I was targeting, of course, low. But if I was aiming for 20 points, would have gotten it. So if I was following my risk management plans, it would have been 3 wins out of 4 trades today. But instead, we got 3 break-evens, 1 loser, which is fine. As we can see, price is kind of consolidated right here. So, not a good day overall. Friday of the week, so not gonna have the best price action anyway. And we had a bad price action this whole week, so can't expect much. Just rather unfortunate. But like I said, not too upset because if I was on my Tradify accounts, would have been a pretty decent day. Um, as far as this 3 minute though, despite it being my favorite trade I took and the only loser trade, I don't know why we failed so badly. At the very least, I don't know why Price didn't come back to contract encroachment. Oh, okay. So that might have been on me actually. Um, Price actually did come back to contract encroachment, but I got stopped out before then, so it doesn't matter. I want to see why this failed. I guess the 2 minute didn't inverse at all. Yeah, even had it had stopper. Yeah, the only thing I could say is I guess because the 2 minute didn't inverse, but does it Price doesn't have to inverse that. Um, but by the looks of it, I mean it's just overall bad price actions. The reason why I lost this trade. I mean since market open, we should just been consolidating between this range essentially. It's just straight consolidation. So yeah, I mean tricky day. Unfortunately, that I did take profits, but like I said, I'm on the top sub accounts. Don't really care about it, so it is what it is. GG's.